In this tutorial, I'll show you how to high-five in FigJam. By the end, you'll be able to send a clear high-five reaction on your FigJam board that your teammates can see right away. First, move your cursor to the toolbar and click the Reactions icon. On most screens, it looks like a small smiley face. When you click it, a Reactions panel opens so you can pick the emoji you want to send. Next, in the Reactions panel, choose the high-five emoji. It's the raised hand. As soon as you select it, your cursor will be ready to place that reaction on the board. Now, click anywhere on the board to send it. You'll see the high-five appear right where you clicked. This confirms it's been sent and everyone in the FigJam file can see it. If the Reactions panel is still open, that's normal. You can ignore it or close it after your high-five appears. The important part is that you selected the high-five emoji and clicked on the canvas to place it. That's all you need to do. You've successfully sent a high-five in FigJam, and the reaction is now visible on the board. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.